The inauguration of Joe Biden as the 46th President of the United States took place on January 20, 2021, marking the start of the four-year term of Joe Biden as President and Kamala Harris as Vice President. The inaugural ceremony took place on the west front of the United States Capitol in Washington, D.C. and was the 59th presidential inauguration. Biden took the presidential oath of office, before which Harris took the vice presidential oath of office. The inauguration took place amidst extraordinary political, public health, economic, and national security crises, including the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, former President Donald Trump's attempts to overturn the 2020 United States presidential election, which incited a storming of the Capitol, Trump's second impeachment, and a threat of widespread civil unrest, which stimulated a nationwide law enforcement response. Festivities were sharply curtailed by efforts to prevent the spread of COVID-19 and mitigate the potential for violence near the Capitol. The live audience was limited. Members of the Congress attended with one guest of their choosing, resembling a State of the Union address. Public health measures such as mandatory face coverings, testing, temperature checks, and social distancing were used to protect participants in the ceremony. America United and Our Determined Democracy, Forging a More Perfect Union, a reference to the preamble to the United States Constitution, served as the inaugural themes. The inauguration marked the formal culmination of the presidential transition of Joe Biden, who became president-elect after defeating Donald Trump in the U.S. presidential election on November 3, 2020. The victory of Biden and his running mate, Harris, was formalized by the Electoral College vote, which took place on December 14, 2020. In accordance with Article 1, Section 6 of the United States Constitution, Harris resigned her seat in the U.S. Senate effective noon on January 18, 2021. Trump repeatedly falsely disputed the legitimacy of the election, but committed to an orderly transition of power exactly 2 months after losing. Upon his inauguration, Biden became the oldest president at 78 years and 61 days, older upon taking office than Ronald Reagan, who left office at 77 years, 349 days. He also became the first president from Delaware, the second Catholic after John F. Kennedy, and the 15th former vice president to serve as president. Harris became the first woman to hold a nationally elected office, first African American, and first Asian American vice president. The swearing-in ceremony for President-elect Biden and Vice President-elect Harris was planned by the Joint Committee on Inaugural Ceremonies, a bipartisan committee composed of United States Senators Roy Blunt, Mitch McConnell, and Amy Klobuchar, and United States Representatives Nancy Pelosi, Steny Hoyer, and Kevin McCarthy. The committee is overseen by the U.S. Senate Committee on Rules and Administration. On December 8, 2020, Republican members of the committee voted against a resolution that would have publicly recognized Biden as the president-elect and Harris as the vice president-elect. After Biden's win was certified by the Electoral College, Blunt and several other Republican senators finally acknowledged him as the president-elect, stating that he will facilitate communications with Biden's Presidential Inaugural Committee to prepare for the inauguration. The 2021 Presidential Inaugural Committee organized several other inauguration-related events at the direction of the President-elect and Vice President-elect of the United States. The committee was led by Jim Clyburn, Eric Garcetti, Cedric Richmond, Lisa Blunt Rochester, and Gretchen Whitmer, Yavanna Cancela and Erin Wilson. The committee hired Stephanie Cutter and Ricky Kirshner, who produced the largely virtual 2020 Democratic National Convention, along with Glenn Weiss to organize the inaugural programming. The Joint Committee on Inaugural Ceremonies chose the inaugural theme, Our Determined Democracy, Forging a More Perfect Union, to highlight the inaugural ceremony as a hallmark of American governance and democracy, and stress the peaceful transition of power. Alan Biden, Inaugural Committee CEO, stated that the events would look different amid the pandemic, but maintain inaugural traditions, while engaging Americans in a safe manner. This included several virtual concerts and events hosted by celebrities, featuring live musical performances and speeches that spanned 5 days. Saturday, January 16, 2021. Through the evening of Inauguration Day, the committee's inaugural theme was America United, and its official YouTube channel and other social media featured exclusive content related to the ceremonies. On September 3, 2020, the Capitol Police Board announced that public access to the West Front of the United States Capitol would be restricted from September 7, 2020, to February 28, 2021, to allow F.